2 o'clock in the morning.
Working on a fucking good man, piece of shit. The capacitor is dead. And the condenser fan motor is smoking hot. So either the bad cat killed the fucking motor. I've actually already changed this fucking capacitor before. Yeah. So either the condenser fan motor is fucked because of a dead cap, or the fucking cap killed the condenser fan motor. One of the two. So I need a 45.5. Story of my fucking life. Okay.